Yeah, hello guys. In this short tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to use the simple audience software. And this is simple audience software, and can you see it's asking for access token, and this is the new working simple audience, or the new working simple audience. The ones, if you have previous ones that is not working, you can try this one out. This one is the original, so this is the authentic one, so I can bet with you. So in the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how to extract tons of emails from Facebook groups and other pages. Now my access token, I've copied it, so this is my access token. If you need the access token, you can inbox me. My number is on the screen. You can WhatsApp me. That's my number on the screen. You can WhatsApp me, or you can send me a mail. So now after this, so just mail me or WhatsApp my number for to get the working simple audience software. Now just log in. Don't worry, to tell you not responding, never mind, is the network. So I'm logging out. This is my name, Olusoya Adeshoga. Now the next thing I'll be doing here, I want to find audience from keywords. So keywords means Facebook groups. Control V, start. So can you see the way it's generating? Can you see so it means there are no, it depends, there are no much people that are, for you to get this, you have to open your security. Some might have logged their security on Facebook, not for people to search their emails. So by and large, these are the ones you have generated, which is also okay. If you can target these 22 people directly or a direct market, it means it's something for you. So let's add more groups to it. I think I have one group here on my Facebook, so let's go to make money online. Let me just go to make money online. I think that one is a big niche, so let me just begin again. So just make money online. So let's start this. So can you see the way it's generating the emails? Can you see emails, numbers, emails, numbers? Can you see the way it's generating it? Can you see? So this 102, 103, 106, 110, 117, 121, 26. Can you see the way it's going? So this is a direct marketing. Assuming I'm promoting a product on Make Money Online, I'll just target these people and directly it will go into their inbox. And with that, so there's a software that I use if I want to target all these people. So I use two of my softwares that is very okay. I have a tutorial on that too, so you can contact me. So with that, you can send bulk messages to these people, and lo and behold, you see that you start getting massive results. You don't need to do Facebook marketing, you don't need to do Facebook ads. If you need, so just go on Facebook itself, extract those emails and target them. And the way to compose your email is left to you. First of all, familiarize yourself with them. Don't just do direct marketing to them first. Familiarize with them, give them value for like 3-4 days, 5 days, so that they will have known you. So after that, you can now be sending them your promotional emails. So I'll just stop this. So once you stop this, I've stopped it. So you can save results to CSV. I can use these numbers for what? For mobile marketing. So I can save this result to CSV, or for this purpose I will just save this result as CSV. So just save it at Make Money Online. So make money online, I'll just save it. Good. So I've saved that. So once I go to my documents, so make money online, where is it? Make money online, okay, this is it. So if you save as .csv file, so can you see these are the emails? Can you see? So these are the names, so and emails. So you can now copy these emails for direct marketing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Contact me below to get this unique software, this new working one, updated one. And I believe that once you get the software, and I hope it will serve you very rightly for your email marketing, and it will help you boost sales in your business, because you are dealing with targeted people that needs your services. Thank you very much guys for watching. I'll